Today, I'll show you how to fix missing colors during printing by checking the ink pad. First, make sure the ink is filled properly, check that there's enough ink in the bottles, and the tubes are firmly connected. Next, look at the ink pad. If colors like white or yellow aren't printing, the pad might not be centered. To adjust it, open the BetterPrint software. Go to the System Set page, enter the password 666888, then click Login. At the top, click Load Board. Then go to the Motor section. Adjust the value under Return Distance to move the ink pad slightly forward or backward. When you're done, click Save. Confirm the pop-up. Close the software and power off the printer. Restart the printer and check if the ink pad is now properly aligned under the printhead. If you still have missing colors, try swapping the dampers. If the issue moves with the damper, the printhead may be the cause.